Hello everyone, this is Orkun. Welcome to my HackerRank SQL problem solution playlist. So the problem we are going to solve today is weather observation station 4. The difficulty level is easy and it's basically a select statement oriented problem. So we'll also need to use some of the aggregate functions here. So link will be in my description. Let's get into the problem statement first. So we just expand that. Fine. So the problem statement says, find the difference between the total number of city entries in the table and the number of distinct cities in the table. So there are two parts. First, we need to find the count of all the cities in this table. So here we have a station table, which has ID, city, state, latitude, and longitude, these 5 columns. So we can see there is a column named city. So we'll have to count all the entries in specific this city column. So in first part, we'll find out all the entries in the city column. Next, it says, and the number of distinct city entries in the table. So there might be some duplicate entries for some cities. So we need to exclude the duplicate entries and only show the unique city names. So for this reason, we'll have to use a distinct keyword. Okay. After that, when we get two counts, we'll just subtract one from another and we'll get the result. So let's go to the SQL Server Management Studio and get this query done. Here I have a station table exactly identical to the table shown in the problem statement. So it has ID, city, state, latitude, and longitude. And I also have 24 dummy data. So the table create script and insert script will be in my description. So let's first find the count of all the cities. So we'll first select the column city. Let's use s.city. Okay. So we have the name of all the cities in this table. Okay. Then as we need the count, so we need to use the count aggregate function. So we'll just put count. Okay. And we'll just give a alias like city count. Okay. So it's 24. So what is happening here? This count aggregate function gives us the count of all the entries. So when I say city column, when I pass this city column parameter to count aggregate function, this aggregate function gives me all the entries in this column. So I get all the entries from here. Now I need to find out the distinct city count. So let's do it again. So definitely we need to use count. Inside that, we'll use distinct column name. Distinct city. Okay. Spelling mistake. Okay. Distinct city. Distinct city. Okay. So we got our two counts, 24 and 20. So what is happening in this second aggregate function is that count tries to give me a number of all the entries in this table, but distinct eliminates all the duplicate entries. So we only get the unique city names and the count for that. So distinct city. Now we have two entries. We just need to subtract one from another. So if we just do this, okay, we don't need this aliases. So here it is. So we have 4. So we got the difference. So let's copy this. Let's copy only this thing. So we're going to select SQL Server, then paste it here, put a semicolon after that. So this is our resultant query. Let's run it. Okay, so it passed for all the test cases. Now submit the code. So the compiler message is success. So we were able to successfully submit the code. So this is it. This is the solution for weather. So this is the solution for weather observation station 4. So I'll be back with another problem in next episode. Till then, take care.